Hello everyone, it's me Jennifer with Jennifer Sewing and Crochet. Today we're going to continue on with the Learning to Crochet series. We're going to work on the double crochet, which is abbreviated DC. You will start by chaining the amount needed for your pattern. Let's move this aside. I have went ahead and started with a short amount. First, you're going to yarn over and you're going to insert your hook into the fourth chain from the hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to place it inside the chain. You have 3 loops on your hook. You will yarn over, pull through. You will yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Then you will yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops for your first completed double crochet. So you yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, then yarn over and pull through your next 2 for your second double crochet. Continue on to the end. Sometimes when you're first starting out, you're a little fumbly when you are on the chains, and especially on a piece this small. You will be. If you're going to be working an Afghan and you have a longer chain, you'll get the hang of being able to have a longer piece to work with. So we're just about to the end. So we're at the last chain. So continue on to the last chain. Okay. So that is your first completed row of double crochet. Okay. Now to turn your work to start your second row, you will turn. You can either chain first, so you will chain 3 and turn, or you can turn first and then chain, whichever you prefer. But your turning chain for double crochet will be 3 chain. So you yarn over and you're going to insert your hook into this first stitch right here. So that will be what it looks like on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your chain, on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that is your first double crochet of row 2. Okay. In this case, the turning chain are not counted as a stitch. So let's continue to the end. Pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert and stitch, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and we are at our last stitch. And like I said, the turning chain does not count as a stitch. So you will into the very last. And there are your first 2 rows of double crochet. And to continue on with your work, you will again either turn and chain 3 or chain 3 then turn. It's whichever you prefer. Please like and subscribe to my videos. If you have any suggestions on future videos for crochet or a sewing project, please comment down below. Our next video in the Learning to Crochet series will be the treble crochet, or also known as the triple crochet. Please stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.